I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm tired, Eve.
I'm very tired.
I'm really tired.
I'm tired, boss.
I'm pretty tired.
Just so tired.
I'm tired now.
I'm tired. I want to go home.
I'm really tired. I'd like to go home now.
Melanie, I'm so tired. I've got to go home.
I'm just a little tired, I guess. I'm just tired. I think I'm gonna take a nap.
What is it? Are you okay?
Just tired.
You know, I'm a little tired. Maybe tomorrow.
And speaking of sleeping, I'm really tired, Artie. To bed?
Yes, I'm tired.
I'm really quite tired. You okay? Yeah, I'm just really, really tired. I'm gonna take a nap.
Fine. I'm sorry. I'm just